Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is a series of videos where I provide ChatGPT tips and tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to prompt your ChatGPT to get the best results. So let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, how do you actually prompt ChatGPT? If you are a beginner, this is a nice little guide to get you on the road. So first of all, you need to master the art of AI communication, and you can transform your productivity with strategic prompting techniques that deliver exceptional results each and every single time. So let's discuss why it actually matters to use correct prompting and some best practices. So first of all, ChatGPT is not a mind reader. A lot of people believe that it is artificial intelligence and therefore it is intelligent, therefore it can forethink or it can predict what you are wanting. It only responds to the words that you provide. So you need to be clear, specific with your prompts, and this will unlock precise, valuable answers, and it'll save you time, and it'll deliver exactly what you need. And trust me, it'll save you a whole lot on frustration too. So first of all, what you can do is assign your ChatGPT a role. So give it a specific persona, like being a marketing expert or a financial advisor, and now it exactly knows what it needs to be. Then you can share some background detail and specific requirements for your request. You need to define the tone, style, length, and output structure that you would like. And then you need to iterate and refine. So review the results and then adjust your prompts for continuous improvement. This will be a progressive learning curve over time. On the right hand side, you can see two prompts. One is a very strong prompt and one is a very weak prompt. You can see the weak prompt is very short and it doesn't really have much information. It just says write an article on LinkedIn automation. It has no specifics. The next prompt is much better. It's got some background information and it's got some focus points. Moving on over here now, the perfect prompt formula. And here is a 5-step guide that you can use that is a no-fail formula. So first of all, be specific. Include detailed information about your goal, your target audience, and any constraints or requirements. Break it down. So here you provide a step-by-step instruction, or you break complex tasks into more manageable components. You can now also then, your next step, show sample outputs or reference materials to guide style, format, and content expectations. For example, if you would like a list in bullet points, then make sure that you specify that and provide an example of exactly how you want it formatted. Set some expectations. So here you need to define the tone, length, and format preferences, as I mentioned, like bullet points, sections, structured layouts, or however it is that you want it. Then you need the request structure. So you need to ask for organized output with lists, summaries, headers, or other specific formatting. Try this perfect prompt. ChatGPT, act as a financial analyst. Create a 3-point summary explaining blockchain basics for beginners. Use a friendly tone and bullet points. You can see that your results will be clear, tailored, and ready to use every single time. And I hope this was helpful.